Audio Jungle.
Hi, you are welcome to this episode of our Graphic Design Academy, and today we are going to work on the assignments that I give you, the first assignment that I give you. So we go ahead and create our canvas. We chose A5 in landscape, everything set here. Drag our image to the canvas. Remove some spots. Duplicate the image layer. Change to convert to smart object, image adjustment, invert, blend mode, vivid light, filter, other, high pass. Filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Alt plus layer mask. Pick my brush tool. Make sure my foreground color is white and the background black. Start painting. I'm done with it. I select the first layer and the second layer, right click and merge layers. The next thing I'll do is change the eye color and the teeth color as we did the other time. Hue saturation changes to the yellows, though, and the whites come in. I can take it this way, but it's affecting the whole thing, so I just hit Ctrl plus I whilst I've selected the layer mask. Come and pick my brush tool again and start painting at the areas that I want. We'll change the eye color too, don't worry. We'll change the eye color. I'm done, so I'll select the two layers again and merge the layers. Now let's come to the eye. Add an adjustments layer, hue saturation, we dip the eye, it's in red. Let's change it to I think I'll go for the blue. Adjust this to your preferred values. We maintain 50 here, 170 here. Once you selected the layer mask, you come to image adjustment, invert. I'm gonna pick your brush tool again. Start brushing the blue thing the blue on the eye. So you have to stay away from the edges when you are brushing. Now you select the two layers and you merge the layers. Now you select the image. Let me name it image. You come to properties here, quick actions, remove background. To just remove the background of the image. The background is gone. You can maintain it this way. Come to the tools panel, select rectangle 2. And please, not by force, it's not forced to use the color red. You can use any preferred color of your choice. So I hope you can see it. There's blue eyes. It's not that visible. It's nice. To me, it's very nice. Let me add some color adjustment to it. So I come to image, adjustment, brightness and contrast. So I add a little contrast, some brightness. I think it's fine. Image adjustment, color balance, little red, little blue. So let's say if you don't have, let's say you don't have the logo. So the thing you are going to do is you can type your name. Maybe my name here, Richmond. So you type your name there. The one submitting the assignment, you type your name there as your brand logo. Come and select this color picker for it. You come and select the type 2 again. You type your text onto the work. Or change the Montserrat font to, let's say, black. You decrease this to, let's say, 48, decrease this to somewhere 50, or come back to school. Let's type in something. Duplicate this layer. Add a stroke. So you can use this color here, FFB8A2. That is the color code for the work you are using. You can set the size to 5. Drag it to the left. Reduce the fill to 0. Take the text and bring it behind the main text layer. Behind the main text. Okay, let's type in something. We are using this color here, 323232. So we've added some text to it, change the font weight to medium, font size to, let's say, 14, to 14. Now let's bring in our rectangles. Change the color to this color. Add the text to. Change the font weight to extra bold. You can decide to bring this rectangle here, or you can decide not to do it. You see you have the color here already, so you can just pick it, add another rectangle here, add our text to here, rich SRC president, hope for 24. You see it's not appearing on top because it's under the layer, under this rectangle layer. So when I select it, you see that it's top here, so you just bring it on top of it. Change the font weight to extra bold, reduce the font size to somewhere 12, reduce the interval between it to somewhere, let's say 11 will be fine. Change the font color of this one to this color. Change the down one, the whole fold, also to white, which is FFFFFF. Duplicate this layer, bring it under, change the blend mode to luminosity and the opacity to, let's say, 15. Duplicate this layer again, the image layer again, bring it behind the main image, change the blend mode to screen and the opacity to 35, and we can add this letter text that we added to it, which is the name Richmond bar, which we used this color here, and the fonts that I used was Casablanca. Increase the font size, increase the interval, can change to automatic, and just bring it here. And bring it behind this image here. And we are done with this tutorial. Thank you.